Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my video. Today I will discuss about how the power system of Bangladesh is governing and functioning nowadays. So let's get to the point now. Power system of Bangladesh. Presented by me, Muhaiminul Masud Albi, Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Begum Rokeya University, Rangpur. Before discussion, we need to know what is power system. Power system is a network of electrical components deployed to supply, transfer and use electric power. It uses the form of energy like coil and diesel and converts it into electrical energy. The picture shows how generators generates electricity and the consumers get supplies through transformers. Do you know? An electrical power system consists of generation, transmission and distribution. The transmission systems supply bulk power and the distribution systems transfer electric power to the ultimate consumers. The generation of the electric energy is nothing but the conversion of one form energy into electrical energy. Electrical energy is generated in hydro, thermal and nuclear power stations. Sometimes electrical energy is generated from non-renewable energy resources like wind, waves, fossil fuels, etc. In 2013, the International Renewable Energy Agency IRENA ranked Bangladesh as having the sixth largest renewable energy related workforce in the world with 114,000 jobs. Components of electric power system. 1 is generators, 2 transformers, 3 transmission lines, 4 control equipment, 5 primary transmission, 6 secondary transmission, 7 primary distribution and the last and the 8 is secondary distribution. Power System Master Plan 2016 was held between Bangladesh and Japan. It was a mega project and a great step for a developing country like Bangladesh. The Bangladesh power sector is one that has seen considerable growth in recent years. Total power generation capacity in January of 2019 was 17,764 megawatt. The capacity in 2013 was only 10,213 megawatt. This translates to a 57% increase in last 6 years. This is really a great sign. Now we will talk about the present structure of power sector in Bangladesh. There are many organizations which works together to generating power, transmitting power and distributing power such as Ministry of Power, Energy and Mineral Resources, Bangladesh Energy Regulatory Commission, Bangladesh Power Development Board, Ashuganj Power Station Company Limited, Independent Power Producers and etc. Then there is only one transmission institute and that is Power Grid Company of Bangladesh Limited PGCB. After that there are some distribution companies like Bangladesh Power Development Board, Dhaka Power Distribution Company, Dhaka Electric Supply Company Limited, West Zone Power Distribution Company, Rural Electrification Board through rural cooperatives. Overview diagram of power system. Now we will make a clear concept about generation, transmission and distribution. First of all, we will see the generation related institute. In this case, we have to talk about Bangladesh Power Development Board BPDB as it has the maximum power generation capacity. Beside this, APSCL, NWPCL, BCPCL and etc. are also very good. Then there is IPP, Independent Power Producers. It consists of non-government organizations such as Summit, United, Power Bank, etc. Now, all the power generation companies will transmit the power through PGCB. Then, PGCB distribute the power to some distribution companies like BREB, BPDB, DPDC, TESCO, NESCO, WZPDCL. And after that, These distribution companies supplies the electricity to the ultimate consumers. Major problems in power sectors. There are some major problems in power sectors like high system losses, corruption, erratic power supply, electricity theft, misuses of power, and so on. These problems should be solved. Then the overall power sector of Bangladesh. Bangladesh power sector is really good at now. Generation capacity is 8525 megawatt. Present demand is 7500 megawatt. Highest generation was 6350 megawatt August 4, 2012. And electricity growth is 12% since 2011. The future of Bangladesh power sector. Principal challenges are insufficient generation, reliability, domestic gas dependence, poor transmission capacity, and so on. There are some things where we need to focus and future trends. That is, diversify, continue privatization, modernize grid infrastructure, boost cross border interconnectivity, and so on. Here is some references from where I have collected the informations. And at last, thank you all.